Okay, so this poster frame is absolutely phenomenal. It's so easy to open up. It's a little noisy. Here's one of the mounting points. I just wanted to get this in to a poster frame before, anything happened to it. And it's a very simple plastic anchor. There's the joint and what to expect. Down here. Very nice. People wonder about the, this is the one window. So there's the light source there. And it's not too bad. I mean, you can still see what's there. I also did this with a blank poster. This is from my childhood. Yeah, around 1995. And it survived in a 90s poster holder for a long time. And it looks absolutely wonderful in this frame. Kind of have my doubts with the black. It's a little bit shorter than the poster, or a little bit longer than the poster, but that's okay. I just put the backdrop from the old poster in there. But yeah, overall, I am very pleased. These things are very sturdy. And this is not paper. This is actually a plastic, I believe. I don't know, it could be a paper, but it's corrugated. And it's very sturdy. And as far as poster boards go, don't hesitate. This is going to be my new permanent solution for posters.